Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I am at the track, second Friday, after running my 10.8 last Friday. This time guys, I took off the hood and then I also took off the exhaust. Let me show you guys. And then no exhaust at all, man, so this week the weather is good too. I was able to run a 10.8 last week with an exhaust and a hood. So we'll see what I run today without the exhaust and hood, man. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing.
All right, y'all just saw those races. Man, I can't believe it, man. 10.7 at 128. That is freaking insane. Honestly, I don't believe removing the hood helped me. Just because like I feel like the car is not aerodynamic without the hood. So by removing the exhaust definitely does. Because by removing the exhaust, of course the car got lighter. So that's a positive. The hood, the car got lighter for sure, but it wasn't that much aerodynamic, so I don't believe removing the hood really helped. So with that being said, man, 10.7, That is freaking insane, man. Like I said, next up I'm gonna do the carbon fiber hood and trunk, and then that way I don't have to, you know, look sketchy driving around. Man, people are looking at me crazy when I had my hood off, I'll tell you that. So carbon fiber hood coming up, and then that should look good on the car, you know, as well make the car a little bit lighter. It's hard to see, but like it's so obvious that I don't have an exhaust. It's like very obvious. It's crazy. So I'm definitely gonna put this back on for now until next week. But anyway, y'all, make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and also go to the website tedlack.com and get you some merch. I would really appreciate that. As always, guys, stay tuned for the next video. I will see you next time. Peace.